Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode of Content Marketing Insider. I am Roy Garcia. Thank you for joining us today. On this episode, we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing and the importance of content marketing in the area and the sphere in the business of affiliate marketing. We have with us an expert of this field. He's a content creator, a course creator. He's also a SaaS owner, meaning software as a service, and he is the affiliate and community manager of repurpose.io and one of the repurpose.io ninjas. And he's loving the software. That's why he's part of us. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Logan Kramer. Logan, thank you for joining us on
Hey,
Content
thank you.
Marketing Insider.
I love it. Thank you. That was the best introduction I think I've ever had. So appreciate that.
I want to get to know you a little bit more,
Sure.
Logan. So what made you start affiliate marketing? What got you started with affiliate marketing?
So I've kind of like how you said, over the last 7 or 8 years, I bet many people who have seen this podcast or started with software or wanted to have a side hustle have heard affiliate marketing. And it's kind of been an up and coming thing. But I feel like just until last couple of years, people are finally starting to take advantage of it, like huge companies. But for me, went full send with affiliate marketing after 2020 because I used to be a regional sales manager for a pest control company, actually. And I oversaw a team of 78 sales reps and we would knock doors all day. And so whenever we weren't allowed to knock doors anymore, I was like, well, here's my chance to finally dive in with the online world and kind of automating a lot of these things. Cause I love affiliate marketing because it's like a business model where I can knock doors digitally and say, "Hey, is this something that you would love?" And so being able to replicate myself and duplicate myself online for me was like, "Wow, this is a dream." Instead of knocking doors, so that's kind of how I jumped into it. And once I started, I was like, "Wow, this is pretty lucrative. I'd rather work from home and see my family, and it's a lot better lifestyle for me." So that's kind of how I got into it.
It just dawned on me because there may be some people in our listeners, our viewers, our audience that may not understand what affiliate marketing is. So what is
Yeah.
affiliate marketing anyway?
Yeah, so that's a great question. A lot of times people kind of like overcomplicate it when it's really pretty simple. Like there's a company, and I always like to use Amazon as an example because, like, there's probably Amazon packages downstairs right now in my house. Everyone kind of uses Amazon. So there's a big company like Amazon. They give you an affiliate link or an affiliate ID. You sign up to be an affiliate with them, and they say, "Hey, if anyone clicks on this link, it's specific to you. We know that this person is coming from you." And when they click on that and purchase something from Amazon, um, the affiliate gets paid a commission. So it's company and then the affiliate and then the consumer. And so everyone wins. And what I love about it is like the consumer, they don't have to pay any extra money at all. It's just, um, you know, when you go out and see different links online or you go to YouTube and say, "Hey, what are the best hiking boots?" And you click on a YouTube video and there's the top 5 hiking boots, I can almost guarantee you that in the bio, in the section, there's affiliate links to like Amazon. And so when someone clicks on those, the creator gets paid a certain percentage or commission. So it's really neat. It's a really neat strategy. The company wins, the consumer wins because they didn't, know of these certain products or digital products or software or services before. And then the affiliate wins because they get paid a cut for bringing people to that product.
Seems like everybody or anybody can start doing affiliate marketing. I mean, you don't necessarily have to have an expertise with it.
Right.
So am I correct in saying that anybody can start? I mean, after watching this show, they
Yeah.
can go in and do affiliate marketing.
Anyone can start it. There's hundreds of thousands of companies who have affiliate programs. And a lot of the times we're like already using the thing. So you just have to Google whatever, company or product it is and then put affiliate program at the end. And a lot of times you can just sign up and be an affiliate for them. So like I'm an affiliate for like 76 or something different products and services. And so it's really I have to like have a list, to keep track, but it's fun because they're things I love and enjoy. And I think other people would enjoy them too. So
76 product.
yeah.
That's awesome, right? But for those of you watching I know 76 looks like a lot,
Yeah.
but don't be overwhelmed. Just start with one or two
Yep.
and get the hang of it. I mean, Logan's been doing this for quite some time, so
Yeah.
he's been bitten by the affiliate bug. That's why he's got 76,
It's contagious.
76 and counting. It's
Yep.
76 and counting, by the
Yep.
way.
Yep. Yep.
So just start with one or two. Hey, by the way, we also have an affiliate marketing program, and if you want to join us in this program, the link is on the description below. We've got more details about that. And for all you know, you're going to be talking directly to Logan because he's in charge of affiliate marketing here at repurpose.io. So again, we're here with Logan Kramer. We're talking about affiliate marketing with regards to content marketing. And let's go into the meat and potatoes of our conversation today. So how important is content marketing with regards to affiliate marketing?
Well, that's an awesome. Really, there's only two ways that you can get paid as an affiliate. You can either pay for ads, which I highly don't recommend typically for anyone who's wanting to start a business online or wanting to start being an affiliate, because usually you kind of have to test the waters for a while and kind of see what's working, what's not. And a lot of people who want to start like maybe a side income or affiliate marketing on the side, they don't have too much startup money. And that's the great thing about organic marketing, which just means that you're doing it yourself. You're creating content. You're not paying for ads or anything like that. Is that anyone can do it and it doesn't really cost money. As long as you have a phone or something to, press record, you can become an affiliate. And so there are a lot of strategies to it. Like everyone just kind of has to go through the whole content creation phase, right? Like I know Hanny talked about it a lot on the last podcast that you just got to get over some of the fears. There's a lot of cool techniques you can do it with showing your face, without showing your face. Um, but the cool thing about it is you can do it in any niche. You can do it on almost any platform, whether you like blogging, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook Reels. It's like, and that's the cool part about repurposing, right? Because right now in this day and age, there's literally no better time to start affiliate marketing because short form content gets you fast results. Whereas before you kind of had to have a blog for a couple of years and then started to get some traction. Or YouTube videos, right? And then you kind of get in the algorithm. But now it's like with TikTok, you get a lot of like an ejection of views or, you get some reach. And then all of a sudden you can use something like repurpose.io. If you don't want to do it manually and save yourself some time, you can put that same exact content onto Instagram and onto Facebook and onto YouTube shorts, and all of a sudden you have 7 or 8 platforms working for you, giving value, but also promoting these products.
Are we saying right now that content marketing is vital in affiliate marketing?
It's vital to have video right now. You need video content. You need to get comfortable with pressing play. Like I said, whether it's your face, another passion that's a different topic maybe for another time is AI videos, even like I really like those kinds of things. So there's so many different ways. All you have to do though is start pressing play. If you've never made videos before, I highly recommend starting with TikTok, kind of like Hanny said before, and then start repurposing. And every single video that you do, you'll get better. And then also a huge tip that I have for anyone wanting to get into the affiliate marketing space in your niche or, your topic, whether it's real estate, beauty, whatever it is, there are creators that are killing it, that are doing really well. And so what you want to do is model those people. You want to model them, make it your own, and see why is this working. And then that will push your affiliate products out. That'll push out your reach, and you'll gain an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you to buy products that maybe they wouldn't from anyone else. And so that's a really cool thing with video content is people get to know you, they get to see you. You become someone that they can trust. And so that's that's why affiliate marketing and just content creation in general right now is so influential in the market.
But you mentioned something about content repurposing. Maybe for those people who would hear this for the first time or have heard it, but haven't really researched about it. What is content repurposing and how can content repurposing leverage this method to promote affiliate marketing?
I think right now, repurposing by far is probably the most important aspect of your business because repurposing your content safeguards you from any of the algorithms, because any day TikTok can just say, hey, I don't like that video, I'm going to take it away. Or, hey, you're shadow banned, I'm not going to show your content to anyone because of this, and that, right? So you want to make sure that your content is more in your hands than anybody else's. So when you repurpose content, you take that same content, and because there's a lot of platforms like um, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, all these different places, they're competing for market. They really want to get more viewers on their platforms. So you can take that same video, you can take the watermark off, which Repurpose does for you automatically, which is amazing. And then you can have it published on these other platforms. So now you're growing on TikTok. Now you're growing on Instagram. So if one of those platforms goes down, your business is not dead. And so that's why it's so important, and Repurpose helps us so much do this. And that's why before I even started working, with Repurpose, I was just the biggest fan, because your business can be gone in a day. So you need to make sure that you are, kind of spreading yourself out to other platforms, and always thinking about, hey, what happens if this goes wrong, as well.
Since we're talking about content repurposing, you know that repurpose.io has a special guide for you to get started on creating content. We want to give you a little gift, guys. Go to the link downstairs, right there in the description. We've got a guide just for you. All you need to do is just sign up, and it's for free. And you can just download it and get started. And not just that, I think there's a special gift as well. Hani was telling me earlier,
Yep.
there's a special gift inside. We won't tell you because that's why it's a special gift. You have to find out for
It's a
yourself,
surprise.
right? It's a surprise. It's not going to be a surprise if we tell you, but
Yep.
it's for free. That's the fun part there. Christmas comes early. That when you sign up, we don't only just give you a guide, but we give you a special gift as well. Go pick it up. The link is down below. Go ahead and sign up, and hey, you can thank us later. We're back with Logan Kramer here at Content Marketing Insider. Thank you guys for still being here with us and joining us. You've been an affiliate marketer for a long time.
Yep.
And I don't say that like with exhaustion, like a long time, but I say that because you have the credibility of an affiliate marketer. So you mentioned something about social media channels that could close up shop for you and pull the
Yep.
rug under your feet. Here in Repurpose, we're always saying, go to TikTok, go to TikTok. But here, you're also saying that not just TikTok. Are there other like places that you can also recommend people that they can get started as well?
Some people are diehard TikTok. I'm almost the opposite, where I think TikTok is a great injection, but I truly feel like it's the best place to bring your followers somewhere else. And what I mean by that is like a hub, like a Facebook group, like a YouTube, like more of a community, right? In a place like, for example, right now, where people could go live, or they could ask you questions, or at least more than anything, get an email so that you can build that relationship through email marketing. And so I love Instagram right now, just because I like the direct messaging systems better. I like the messaging because it's easier to, people ask me questions on Instagram, and I can do a voice to them. I can text them back, and TikTok's not very great with that, in my opinion. And then also I bring people to my Facebook group so I can cultivate them, kind of like here on repurpose.io. I also have my own Facebook group. And by the way, if you're listening, we'd love to have you in our Facebook group. I'm the one kind of there helping out as well. So if you guys have questions about affiliate marketing or repurposing, we have a team behind you and happy to help out. But you really want to drive those people to somewhere else besides TikTok. And when I did that, I started to love it more, because, then my YouTube started going a little bit more. My email list got bigger. But right now, I think, and then the secret one, my secret sauce is Pinterest ideas, right? Pinterest for me, I'm getting like 40 something thousand views per month. And that's cool because they're ranking. Like TikTok, you make a video and it kind of fizzles out. Where I love about Google, blogs, Pinterest, and YouTube is that they're like search based. So people are like looking for these questions and about products, and they're saying, hey, what's the best treadmill? And if you have a video on that, you could start ranking. And so it's a long-term strategy combined with your short-term strategy. So that is a business, not just a platform. One of my good friends, he got his Instagram account banned twice. It's like, geez, not once,
Oh
but
my,
twice.
wow, really?
Yeah. And so he had over like, I think 30 or 20 something thousand followers each time. But because he was doing it manually, he wasn't maybe being as up to date as us on Repurpose, but he had all his videos uploaded right on Google Drive. So every time he just started over, it's like, oh, I already have 700 videos. I just post 3 a week or 3 a day and rebuild that back up, rebuild that asset because those videos are yours. They should be yours. But if Instagram or TikTok takes away your platform, well, your videos are gone. So you really need to put those somewhere else, like Google Drive or Dropbox. And that's what I also love about Repurpose. It's just always automatically sending those video assets to myself.
Any last words before we go, Logan? Anything you want to say to the great folks who took the time to watch us?
Yeah. First of all, just thanks for being here. And if you are wanting to jump in the affiliate marketing space, make sure you find that person that you can trust and you're not wasting your time or money, with things that are just kind of nonsense. So I guess that's my warning to everybody. But like I said, Repurpose, affiliate marketing, they're all, great places for you to come for resources, for help, for guidance. And so that's what Roy, me, Hanny, everyone with the team, we strive to be that for you guys as well.
Logan Kramer, content creator, course creator, SaaS owner, and of course, in charge of affiliate and community manager here at repurpose.io. And for those of you who are watching us, we hope that you learned a lot from this episode about affiliate marketing and the importance of content repurposing. And we want to thank you for joining us here today here at Content Marketing Insider. I'm your host, Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again next time.